Hello. How do you think we can go about solving this nice Olympiad maths question? We're asked to solve for x in 4 to the power of x equal to 24. If you know how to do this, don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section and I will be so glad to engage with you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as we solve, share with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified maths content. Now, what do we do from here? Looking at the right hand side, 24, we can make it have same base with the left hand side, 4. And as such, this cannot be solved just like that. If they can have same base, let's say we have something as 4 to the power of x, and this can become 4 to the power of a certain number, then this on the basis of same base, we can say our x is equal to this. But that is not the case. In this case, 24 cannot form factor that will have a base of 4. So what do we do? The right way to solve this is either to use the laws of natural logarithm or the laws of logarithm. Now let's try out using the laws of logarithm. Now this is going to give us the log of 4 to the power of x equal to the log of 24. So what do we do? According to law of logarithm, this will multiply the logarithm and this will give us x multiplying the log of 4, right? And this will be equal to, remember, 24 can be expanded to give us 4 multiplied by 6. And that will give us the log of 4 multiplied by 6. Great. Now in the next step, we'll have nothing else to do than to divide both sides by log of 4. That way, we can have the result for x. And this will be divided by the log of 4. That way, for log of 4, we cancel out the log of 4. Sorry about this. This should be the log of 4. And this will cancel out this. And then we'll be left with our x equal to the log of 6 multiplying 4 or 4 multiplying 6, and this will be divided by the log of 4. Great. Now in the next step, we have to simplify further. Remember multiplication law of logarithm. In the multiplication law of logarithm, we can expand the numerator. Hence, this will give us x equal to the log of 4, right? Plus log of 6, and all of these can be divided by the log of 4. Now, according to the laws of indices, I can still expand that. If I expand that, this can give me x equal to the log of 4 divided by the log of 4, right? And this will be plus the log of 6 divided by the log of 4. Great. Now, when you look at that very well, you come to find out that in our next step, you look at this, that this can cancel out. Log of 4 can cancel out log of 4. Then we'll have our x to be equal to 1 plus. What do we have? We can still expand this to give us the log of 2 multiplied by 3. And this will be divided by the log of, that can also give us the log of 2 to the power of 2, right? Let's expand that, 2 to the power of 2. Great. Now if we expand that, we are going to have that expression to now give us x equal to 1 plus log of 2 plus log of 3, and all of these will be divided by the log of 2 to the power of 2. Great. Now, if we simplify that, we're going to have that expression to now give us, we can still separate that, right? If I separate that, I'm going to have the value of my x to now be equal to 1 plus log of 2 divided by, this will become 2 log 2 plus log of 3 divided by 2 log 2. Great. Now let's simplify this. If we simplify this, we'll have our x to be equal to 1 plus 1 divided by 2 log of 2 divided by 2 by log of 2, right? And this will be plus log of 3 divided by 2 log of 2. Now, do we see something happening here? Of course, yes. Log of 2 can cancel out log of 2, and then we'll be left with our x equal to 1 plus 1 divided by 2 plus log of 3 divided by 2 log of 2. Great. So what do we have? 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 is simply going to give us, the next step we'll have our x to be equal to, using laws of lowest common multiples, we can have 1 plus 1 divided by 2. This can be 2, and this will be 2 plus 1, and that will be equal to 3 divided by 2, right? So we'll have 3 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 log 3 divided by the log of 2. Great. So you see the result is coming out gradually. From that expression, you can simply see that we can expand gradually. Now let's look at what a law of in the logarithm says. If we have the log of a divided by the log of b according to the law of logarithm, this can be equal to the log of a base b, where the denominator becomes the base and the numerator becomes the log. So if we apply that over here, that expression will now give us the value of our x to be equal to 3 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 log of 3 base 2. And if we simplify that very well, the value of our x will now be equal to, we have a common denominator, and that is what? That common denominator is 2. So we can have that to become what? 3 plus log of 3 base 2 divided by 2. And that is the solution to that expression given to us up there. Now you see, very easy. Now many will always ask, tests to find out if your result is actually right. We are going to test or check if our solution is right. And to check if our solution is right, we are going to insert the value of x equal to 3 plus log of 3 base 2 divided by 2 into that original expression. And the original expression is 4 to the power of x. Will it be equal to 24? So if we insert the value of x into this expression, we'll have 4 to the power of 3 plus log of 3 base 2 divided by 2. Will this be equal to 24? Let's check that out. If we simplify that, you're going to find out that this is going to give us 2 to the power of 2, right? Multiplying 3 plus log of 3 base 2. All our aim is to reduce this fraction. Will this be equal to 24? Let's check out that. 2 will have to cancel out 2, and then we'll be left with 2 to the power of 3 plus log of 3 base 2, and this will be equal to 24. Now, can this give us 24? Remember one simple rule in indices, that if you have a to the power of x plus y, this can be equal to a to the power of x multiplying a to the power of y, right? So if we apply that there, we're going to have this to become 2 to the power of 3 multiplying 2 to the power of log of 3 base 2. And will this be equal to 24? Let's check that out. If we simplify that, this is going to give us 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. This is going to give us 8 multiplying 2 to the power of log of 3 base 2. Will this give us 24? Now, if we simplify this, recalling one important law of indices, that if I have logarithm a to the power of log of b base a, that this can simply be equal to b. Why? Because a will cancel out a. Now, if I apply it here, we'll see that 2 will cancel out 2, and I will be left with what? I will be left with 8 multiplying 3, right? Now, will this be equal to 24? Of course, 8 times 3 will give us 24. So 24 is equal to 24 on the right hand side. So that tells us that the value of x equal to 3 plus the solution given to us, 3 plus log of 3 base 2 divided by log of 3 base 2 divided by 2 is the solution that perfectly fits that question given to us up there. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified math content. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.